welcome to another episode of Model Car Memories. I've got a clean up and a repair for this video here. As you can see, it's a 1960 Impala. So we got the convertible top that my stepdad had left with it. Our two aerial antennas are broken. There's one side view mirror and another one that's missing. So you got the Continental kit on here that's come unglued, and I'm going to dump what's inside here out. Okay, I've got the rear view mirror. It's like part of one of the aerials right here, and then was that a spotlight? Yeah, so looks like a spotlight or something like that, but I can't see. Doesn't seem to be a place that it would have been glued onto. It might be a spare part from another one or something like that. So as always, start with a brush here. Brush off a lot of the heavy dust and dirt. Get all that out. And it's like most of it's cleaning up pretty good. Get in there. Okay, I don't see a gear. This is an automatic, so it's not a gear shift on the floor there. So, and then there's the underside. Don't see any markings on here. Don't know, that right there looks like it's glued in place. I'm gonna try to take this apart, see if it does come apart, and do the cleaning. I've got a little soap solution here, and if you've been watching in the past, I just use cotton swabs. Got these regular cotton swabs, and then I have some of these others have a point on the end of it, so that really gets down into some of the corners and stuff. So I'm gonna see if I can get this apart and start doing some of the cleaning on it with the soap solution, and come back to you after I'm done with that. All right, you can see I've got it cleaned up. I wasn't able to take it apart. There's just too much of it that's glued together, and I didn't want to separate that out. I was able to find a spare side view mirror for the other side. This one's actually just a little shinier. For the aerials on the back, I got this old tee that was in another kit, so I've got two of those. This one's actually from a 61 kit, so it's pretty close, 60, 61. And then I had to go double check on the internet for the rear view mirror. It almost looks like my stepdad had glued it onto the dash. So I went to double check, and they were mounted up high. That the 60s didn't have any of them mounted on the dash. So I'll have to put that up as well. One other trick that I used to get this clean, I just used a brush that I wanted to get the area that was like right up here in the corner of the windshield, because the cotton swab's not going to get there. So on these aerials here, I'll have to gently break those off to put the new ones on. And I'll probably use this to help out just a little bit, and then I have to do the same. I have to need to cut the bottom of this off to put that on there, because the way this one is broken off in there, there's no hole there. It's just a spot where it used to be. So if I cut that flush and glue that on there, it should be good. And then of course the Continental kit, I'll have to glue it back into place. But let me do some of that and then get back with you after that. All right, everybody, I was able to get everything glued back onto the Impala here. I've got the two aerials here. The last thing I did was the rear view mirror. Found a matching side view mirror for up front here. Then the Continental kit, that's secured in place. But so I'll give you a good look over here of the car. Now it's cleaned up and everything fixed on it. Also got the white top here. Got it cleaned up real good. Just kind of, I don't know, it doesn't match with this because this doesn't come off. So it was just laying with it. So that's there. But unless this goes with another one that I haven't found yet. So there you have it. 1960 convertible Impala with the Continental kit. So I'll post up close pictures of this on the Instagram page. Make sure you check that out, and hit the like and subscribe buttons if you would for me, please. Like I said, there we go. Thanks for watching.